How to verify your Discord account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to verify Discord account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Discord application on your device and then you will land on this welcome screen of Discord where you can choose whether to register or log in. If you already have an account, tap login button to sign into your Discord account, or if you haven't created account, select register. For now, choose login. Enter your account information such as email or phone number and the password and proceed towards login. Once you're logged in, proceed towards the U icon at bottom right corner of the screen and now select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. From account setting, choose account and then you have to simply select your email ID if you haven't added any email ID. So you have to enter your email ID and then verify your ID. To verify, you need to enter your password and then you will receive the mail from Discord where you will get the verification code. You simply need to open the mail and then copy the code and paste where necessary and then successfully verify your Discord account. So that's all. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.